morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, I have a shout out for Miss Hernandez, who's been doing an amazing job, who is having positive interactions and makes it fun for scholars and engaging. Nice job, Miss Hernandez. Also, scholars, I've heard some amazing things about the work you have been doing in reading and math. Keep up the hard work and do a great job. Remember, every day you need to attend school, because if you don't, you miss very important lessons and it's hard to catch up. Also, on Monday, October 19th, don't forget, you can dress out of uniform by wearing pink shirt, blue jeans, and your regular house shoes or whatever you'd like at home. So, remember, scholars, today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!